Welcome to the world of Arogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Arogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Arogya portal provided to you with Arogya HMIS. Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss purchase reports. First, we have the purchase order register. This report allows you to apply filters based on PO type, PO number, supplier name, indent, medicine group, or medicine name. You can also filter by medicine status or item nature, such as consignment and non-consignment. Once filtered, you can download the report. We also have an Excel sheet feature, allowing you to export the data for further analysis. Next is the purchase register. Here, you can filter the data as per your requirements and download the report in either PDF or Excel format. Lastly, we have the margin register. It also offers filtering options, allowing you to generate and download the report based on your preferences. In summary, we have covered all the general sale and purchase reports. Every report includes filtering options, enabling you to refine the data as needed. You can download all the reports in either PDF or Excel format.
Thank you for watching.